Question says, in which of the following cases is the oxidation state of nitrogen atom wrongly calculated? In the given compounds, we can calculate the oxidation number of oxidation state of nitrogen, then we can match with the given values. Okay, let's calculate one by one. First compound is given there, what? Ammonium chloride. This is what ammonium chloride is there. Okay, it is a neutral compound. We write is equal to 0. Total oxidation number of all the elements present in this compound will always be equal to 0. For nitrogen, we have to calculate. We write same as it is. 4 hydrogen are there. Hydrogen attached to non-metals always shows +1 oxidation number. Then halogens are what? -1. Simplify. Nitrogen plus 4 and it is -1 is equal to 0. Then nitrogen plus 3 is equal to 0 is there. Then nitrogen will show -3 oxidation number. You can see -3 is there. It is given correct. Go for the B option. Okay. So in this case, you can see compound is quite interesting. We have, it is what? N2H5. Okay. N2H5 is there. N2H5. N2H5. And whole twice is there. This is SO4 is there. This is sulfate ion. Okay. There is only one sulfate ion there. This is what? Polyatomic ion. Okay. One sulfate ion is there. You can crisscross these numbers. So 1 will go on the left side and 2 will go other side. So left side is what? +1. Other side is what? -2 is there. Other side it is -2. Okay. From here we got N2H5 and having +1 charge. Okay. Now we got the simplified version. Easily we can calculate oxidation state of nitrogen. Okay. 1 will go on the left side, 2 will go on the other side. It is polyatomic ion, it is also polyatomic ion. Okay, we take only one polyatomic ion in which we have to calculate the oxidation number of nitrogen. Okay, from the sulfate ion you can get sulfur is present in +6 oxidation number. Okay, then we have N2H5 and having +1 charge. Okay. 2 nitrogen plus hydrogen. How many hydrogen? 5 hydrogen. And each hydrogen is what? +1. Total charge is what? Is equal to +1 is there. Then we have 2 nitrogen. And this is what? +5 is there. Is equal to +1 is there. Then 2 nitrogen and is equal to +1. -5 is there. Is equal to, we got -4. Then nitrogen will be is equal to what? -4 divided by 2. Then we get -2. Nitrogen is present in -2 oxidation number. Okay. Oh, here it is given +2, which is not correct. Okay, so in this case nitrogen is present in -2 oxidation number, not in +2 oxidation number. Okay, but the C option, if you want to check, you can see it is 3, it is 2, so you can crisscross. So magnesium will be present in +2 and nitrogen will be present in -3. Now it is correct only. Okay, and as to OH, this is what? OH is what? -1. Okay, 2 hydrogen. Each hydrogen is what? Each hydrogen is present in +1. OH is there. Okay, so we can write this is what? +2. Hydrogen is what? +1. OH is equal to what? -1 is equal to 0. If you simplify, then you will get what? Nitrogen +2 -1 is equal to 0. Then nitrogen will be what? +1 is equal to 0. Then nitrogen will be present in -1 oxidation number. This is also correct. Okay, this compound is interesting also. N2H5 whole twice and SO4 is there. Okay, and directly if you want to calculate, so you can, in place of SO4, overall charge of sulfate ion is what? -2. So you can follow the oxidation number rule to calculate oxidation number, and in place of SO4 directly you can mention -2. Even then you will get the correct answer. Nitrogen is equal to -2. Okay, the way you want to do.